Hello friends, my name is RHYTHUNADH. I am studying in class 6. I am going to tell you a story. The story's name is The Two Parrots. I took this story from the book Best of Moral Stories. There were two parrots, Toto and Popo. They loved traveling to new places. One day they decided to visit the king's beautiful palace. While roaming around the palace, they got tired. Toto said, "Hey Popo, let's take some rest and have some nice fruits in the king's garden. What do you say?" Popo agreed to Toto and they flew to the king's garden. Just when Toto and Popo went up a tree to eat some fruits, they got stuck. Popo asked, "Hey Toto, it seems the king had planned to trap us in this net. It's very sad. Now we won't be able to go back home. Oh dear. This way we will get to meet the king and see his beautiful palace and empire now. Let's wait and watch," said Toto. The soldiers took the parrots to the king, who was mesmerized by their beauty. He ordered his soldiers to keep the parrots in a cage made of gold and give them royal food and luxuries. He strictly commanded that the parrots should not be allowed to fly back. Both Toto and Popo became the favorite topic of the discussion in the city. They became the favorite of the king and of all the people in his entire kingdom. Royal guests also praised the beautiful birds. Toto and Popo started to enjoy all the attention, comforts and luxuries. But one day a big monkey came to the palace. No one had never ever seen such a giant monkey. Soon the monkey became the center of attraction of the king and all his ministers. People across the kingdom came in groups to see the monkey and enjoyed his attractive tricks. After some time, Toto and Popo started feeling ignored and unwanted. Now everyone had forgotten about them and no one even cared to feed them. Sad Popo asked Toto, "Don't you think no one in this palace needs and loves us more? Everyone has started loving the new monkey now and they all neglect us so badly. He seems so attractive to all. Should we try to escape from this cage and fly back to our home?" Intelligent Toto replied, "Hey Popo, don't get so depressed. The monkey is the new attraction, I agree. But we are no less. We are also beautiful and unique. Let's believe in ourselves and our unique qualities. Let's be confident because we all are different and we cannot be the same. Don't worry. Soon everyone will realize this. You please be patient, my dear Popo." Popo nodded in agreement. Toto continued, "Beauty, attraction, ignorance, praise, criticism, interest, disinterest, respect and disrespect, all these are temporary feelings and behaviors. Only the real character of a living being pleases everyone's heart. I am sure when everyone will get bored of the monkey, they will realize our value again. Let's wait." Soon the monkey turned more naughty and violent. He started to misbehave with all spectators. The king got very disappointed and asked his ministers to leave the monkey in the forest. Once again, everyone realized the value of the parrots and started to pamper them more. Toto and Popo were happy again. The moral of the story is the inner beauty of our soul can never be hidden and ignored and will always be treasured in the end. Thank you.